This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a checklist in Google Docs from existing text. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So we have this press release, and you can see I have some bullets up here, but then down here, I have some text, and I want to turn this text into a checklist. It's super easy to do in Google Docs. Basically, all you need to do is highlight the text, as I've just done, and then in the toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like a checklist. Just click that, and you can see that all of a sudden, there are these boxes here that I can check off. And actually, if I share this document, the people who are able to read it, they can check it off themselves. It actually crosses out the items. Now, the other thing you should know, if you don't need text that's already kind of blank text that you want, like for instance, you don't just need to do a line like that and turn it into a checklist. If it's already a bulleted list like this, you can also do the same thing. Just select it and then do the same thing. Click the checklist icon. They'll be turned into checkboxes. If you don't see the checklist icon button here, go to Format, Bullets and Numbering, and then select Checklist Menu and just do the first option there, and the same thing will happen. If this video helped you learn how to use checklists in Google Docs, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube, and for more information, check the links in the description. And thank you so much for watching.